YouTube, welcome back. Today we have this Leetcode problem. Today we will talk about a two-sum problem. It's the most famous problem in Leetcode because this is the first problem that you will solve in Leetcode. Let's just read the problem first. So we have two-sum. We're given an array of integers called called nums and an integer target. So we want to return the indices of the two numbers such that they add up to the target. You assume that each input would have exactly one solution, and you may not use the same element twice. So you can return the answer in any order, we don't care. So we have 9, and we have 0 and 1 because 2 and 7 add up to 9, and we only return the indexes of these elements. We have this one also as an example. So we have 6. So we have 1, 2, and 4. Only the two numbers add to 6. So we return their indexes. We have 6 and 3 and 3. It's add up to 6. So we return these indexes. There's two ways to solve this problem. 3 ways coming to my mind. Let's just go here. Let's just take an example first. Okay. See. Okay. I want to make it bigger and white. And yeah. Okay. So we have this. So one of the things that come to my mind is that we can no, I want a pen. I guess the pen will be better. Yeah. So one of the solutions is to use a brute force. So what brute force means? First, we will start to loop. Let me just go back. Oh no, not that back. Yeah. Okay. So first we'll start at this element at 2. And by my brute force, we will loop twice. First, we loop against each element, and the second time we'll loop to compare each element with the current element that we stopped with the first loop in. Doesn't seems quite easy thing to understand. However, we start looping at 2, and we loop at 2. We will let me just change the color. We will compare 2 with 7. And 1, and this one, and this one, and this 5. Okay, and we will do the same with 7. We'll try to compare it with all of the other numbers. So the time complexity of this one is will be O of n squared. So it will be n and squared. So this is not the best way to solve any problem. However, I should show you how to solve it in the brute force. In this type of videos, I wanna do it like that. I will create each video for each solution. So this video, I will talk about the brute force solution. The next video, I guess maybe we have how many solutions could we have? We have a hash table solution, and also we have like 1 pass hash table and 2 pass hash tables. We can use these two also. So we have 3 videos for this specific problem that we make sure that we use all the solutions, and we just display all the solutions in this video. So you will make sure that you find whatever pleases you. So let's just go back here. So the solution for here will be quite straightforward. So first of all, we said that we loop twice. So let's just loop through the numbers. So 4, it will be nums. Let I equals 0 and I less than nums dot length and I plus plus. Also we will have let uh, uh, um, let element, and element will be nums of I. Okay. And you know what, we don't have to have let elements, let's just loop again. So let j, and what we looked at this one, we compare the number with its next. So j will equals I plus 1. Okay, so let's go back. So let j will equals I plus 1, and j less than nums dot length, and j plus plus. Oh, not kj, that will make a huge error if we do put k. So we want to say that if these two numbers are adding up the target, return their indexes. So I want to say if nums of I, the element in the ith index. Okay. If nums of I, if nums of j equals target minus nums of I. If nums of j equals target minus nums of I, that means they add up to each other. So I will say return I and j, and that's it. Otherwise, if nothing happened, I will return null. Let's test it. Okay, how we submit the code here? Because actually this is new. I guess we had something to submit the code in, right? Because the new version of Leetcode, I just use the new version right now, so it's quite hard for me to know. Yeah, it's up there. Yeah, let's submit. Yeah, submit. Let's see. So I have an error. We said that it's not valid for expected return type of integer. It's not valid type for so what should I return? What should I return? Mhm. I assume that I'm not returning anything. Let's just submit and see. So we have target here is 9. The output is undefined. Why the output is undefined? Okay, this is quite weird. Why the output is undefined? So we have if nums of j equals target minus nums of I, we return j and I, or I and j, but the output is undefined. I and j. Let 0 less than nums of n I. There's something that I'm missing. Can I just say, I guess also if I just do it like that, would it work? Why it's undefined? This is weird. I'm returning. Why? Let's go back. Why it's undefined? Okay, this is not as I expected. So let I equals 0, I less than nums. Oh shit. Length. Yes. Okay, let's just try to make it a different way. If plus equals target, we do the same. I guess it will be equals also. Yeah, it is the same. But the previous one, I'm just trying to make it more fancier, you know? So let's just try to discuss what happened here. So first of all, we loop against the number. So let's just try to have this example. So we have this as our number, and we have 9 as our target. Okay, and I will say that I will have nums of I will equals something, and I have nums of j will equals something. This will equals 0 because it's starting 0, and this equals I plus 1, so it equals 1. So what happens here? We start first nums of I start here at 0. So I'm saying if nums of I plus nums of j equals the target, yes, return them. That's it. And that's what happened. So first of all, I'm looping through the first one, I, nums of I, which is this, and nums of j, it's equals I plus 1, so it will equals 1, so it equals this. And yeah, I'm returning them, and I'm just, if I didn't even find them, I'll just keep executing until I can't find anything. So yeah, that's it for today's problem. I hope you like my solution. If you like my solution, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video, and see you in future problems.